How to put a KitchenAid dishwasher in diagnostic mode and test mode. Press any of these three buttons. For example, standing rinse, heat dry, extended heat dry. Do this. Within 8 seconds, all the lights will turn on. You press the button 3 to see error codes. The clean light will blink. So for example, I have an error code. The clean light will flash 8 times, and then it will stop, and then the clean light will flash 2 times. So it's F8E2. Press and hold the button 3 to see to clear the error codes. Press heat dry, and then it will do the test mode. There are like 7 components. Press cancel to exit.